Good morning, everyone. I decided to take some photographs and do a little editing and see what was in this thing that floated off the screen. It wasn't a moon, but that's one of the pictures of it. I'm going to show you a few shots and of the object that flew up in front of me. I've got one more of this. That's as close as I could get up on it. You can see there is some distortion around it. That is not a moon. Alright, this is the first picture of that one thing that flew up in front of me and startled me. And this is that object that flew up, so we can see it's not a bird. And this is my quick share. Thanks for swinging by. Have a great day, everyone. It was a crazy night last night. All right. See ya. Bye.